lots of you wanted to see grocery hauls, and I'm going to film one today. This is a Walmart grocery haul, and this was around $170, and this will feed us, a family of 3, plus sometimes my grandparents will eat with us as well, and about 2.5 weeks to 3 weeks depending. I have a chuck pot roast, which I'm going to turn into barbecue sandwiches. I have some thin pork chops here. I have some country style ribs, and I do have already a cabinet full of canned veggies and a freezer of frozen veggies. So I did not get any veggies this particular haul. I did get some produce. I also want to note that I already have milk and eggs, and some stuff like that, grapes and raspberries. So this is mainly like a meal planning kind of haul. I have 2 ground beefs here and one just to put back for, I don't know, something. Maybe hamburger helper or hamburgers, something like that. And the other one is going to be for taco salad. I got a breast portions. I got chicken breast tenderloins, boneless. And then I also got thin sliced breast back here. And then I got a pack of Fisher's bacon. Sorry, it's a bit dark, but it's almost 6. But I got 1 chicken to, just in case you guys are interested in meal planning here. I got, I'm going to make barbecue ribs one night. I'm making the barbecue sandwiches, like I said. Taco salad. I'm making shake and bacon chicken one night. And I'm making chicken casserole. And I just got a chicken to put back. Maybe marinate one night, whatever. Bacon for breakfast. I already have sausage and frozen biscuits in the refrigerator. So that's taken care of. Some other random freezer items. We like these Great Value sausage, egg, and cheese croissant sandwiches sometimes in the mornings. For like a lunch kind of item. Boneless wings, the barbecue ones. And just randomly, I kind of wanted some honey barbecue wings, so I got some of those. And sometimes for lunch, like, you know, we'll have like sandwiches. I'll make like tuna salad, egg salad, soups sometimes, grilled cheeses, just different things like that. I got a bag of the potato wedges to pair with barbecue sandwiches, cheeseburgers, something like that. I did grab some of these Genie O turkey burgers. These are the seasoned ones. And you get 8 patties in here. And they're actually really good 1/4 pound burgers. We really like these. And they're easy and quick to thaw out on nights that I don't want to fix a big dinner. Or even this lunch item here. And for like a lunch or quick and easy kind of dinner stuff, you can make chicken sandwiches with these chicken patties or eat them by themselves. And they're the Tyson brand. Another quick kind of meal or a lunch is a Sam's Choice Rising Crust Chicken Bacon Ranch Sauce Pizza. This pizza is delicious. It's so good. If you love ranch, bacon, and chicken, you definitely need to try this pizza. It's so good. It's under $5. Feeds the whole family. Okay, some kind of random stuff, but it goes along with the meals that I got. Now, I'm going to do it in the kitchen video, so I got a graham cracker crust. I got a cherry pie or a cherry Kool-Aid. I got a Great Value sweetened condensed milk for that as well. I got some Bisquick cheese garlic biscuit mix. I got some refried beans for taco salad. I got 3 cream of chickens for chicken casserole. You guys, a lot of the stuff that I cook, I have in the kitchens with. So definitely check the playlist in the description box below. Sometimes I like to bake or fry my chicken in the Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. This stuff is awesome. Definitely try it. It's like KFC breading. I got some Fritos for the taco salad. I got the chicken seasoning coating mix for shake and bake. 2 of the chicken stuffing mixes for the chicken casserole. I got an original no-bake cheesecake. Got some Scooby-Doo gummies. And we got some Taco Bell mild sauce for taco salad. We got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce for ribs for the barbecue roast sandwiches that I'm doing. Also, before I forget, we did get a case of water, and we got a a watermelon as well. But that is still in the living room, and I'm in the kitchen filming this. We got a box of honeycombs. We really like the cereal. We got some Rice Krispies cereal from the Great Value brand. I got Cool Whip for the in the kitchen video I'm going to be doing. Got 2 tomatoes, taco blend shredded cheese, got a pack of bologna. Also tomatoes good with sandwich meat for quick lunches. And I got some shredded iceberg lettuce, and I have a canola oil here. And like I stated before, I already have a ton of veggies and fruits in the fridge, as well as milk and eggs and all that stuff. So a lot of this is like filler and meal prep haul. And I got a loaf of Herner's bread, the old-fashioned loaf, like that one. And Herner's Sunny buns. I got the 12-pack because we'll probably do burgers and we're having the barbecue sandwiches. And for drinks, I did get some extra sweet tea, the Pure Leaf brand. I love this tea. It's my favorite. I love putting it on the freezer and letting it get kind of frozen, but almost it's like a slushy, so not fully frozen. It's so good. And I got some of the light Oreo iced coffee drink. So yes, that's the grocery haul. Like I said, that's going to do us for about 2.5 weeks, possibly 3, because most of my meals and stuff that I fix feed us 2 nights. So we'll do like, I'll cook and the next day we'll have leftovers, plus I have a ton of canned foods and I make a lot of lunch stuff as well. So we are covered for the next 2.5 weeks for sure, 100%. So I hope you guys enjoyed the grocery haul. Sorry it's getting kind of dark. Check the description box for my In the Kitchen playlist. Thank you guys always for watching, and stay tuned for more grocery hauls.